ladies and baddies, what's up? How are we doing? Okay, so here's the situation. We're getting right to it. I need my glasses. It is 10 a.m. on a beautiful Friday morning, and I have to study and I have to get started on my coursework. So, today is quite a busy day, but it's fine. It's fine. So yes, I'm gonna take you along. Let's do it. Let's be productive. Productivity. I'm kind of hungry. I haven't had breakfast yet. Should I go make breakfast and then come back? Yeah, I'm gonna go make breakfast.
Sometimes I get a little greenish shade of jealousy. In truth, it's how I know that you're the one for me. And when you see it red, come over, we can...
Normally I take my cornflakes with oat milk or soy milk, but unfortunately we have run out of that, so I'm forced to take it with almond milk. Taste test time. It does not hit the same, I'm sorry, but it's tasty enough.
Let's mix it all together for each other, loving watercolor. Feels like sometimes I get so blue, there's no one getting through, but you come sliding down in honey.
Okay, so here's the plan. I have to go get stationery. Yay! I have to get some notebooks. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, let's go. It's a stationery haul. Ow! Oh my god, I'm not strong enough for this. Not only are we in a digital age, but we're also in a panoramic. As a result, I just crave touch right now so badly, and I'm really getting tired of typing. So I decided that I would go and get stationery. I'd go get some books to write actual notes down. So it's time to look at some stationery. So okay, I have, ta-da! I bought 2 of these, and I have a much smaller stack of books. It's a little tacky for me, like kindness. Okay. I was actually really scared because I didn't open it to check. Oh my god, yes! College line! Yeah, this will literally be perfect. I love this. Now that is not all we got. I also have gel pens. Bro, I wanted gel pens for so long. I'm so happy. Like, they make your notes look so pretty and neat. The last thing that I got were these highlighter tapes. I've never actually used some before, but I was intrigued. I have no idea how to use this. What? Now that we've got that sorted out, we're gonna get started on what we have to do today. So I'm going to do some research regarding my topic. Hi. We have the tea, ladies and baddies.
Kayla's your errand, or I have my intro. Oh my god, I feel so awkward vlogging in public. But it's fine. Ah! Anyways, so here's the situation, right? I have been sitting on my butt for like 4 hours now, 4-ish hours, and I'm starving. Now, because of, Miss Rona, I don't really want to go and sit at a restaurant to eat. So I have to like get a snack probably. Anyways, I haven't even been able to like really get any footage of class because it's class. So yes, I am. Oh dear god, how do people vlog? No, seriously, like how do you guys do it? What is the secret? Anyway, I'm gonna go get snacks and see what we're gonna do about that. Ladies and baddies, I'm finally done with school. Oh my god, I'm literally so tired. I can see my car coming. Good afternoon. Ow, 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 ow. Hello, my guy. I'm absolutely starving, so I'm gonna go get dinner. I'm gonna go get leftovers, and I'll see you when I'm eating. This is what we're having for lunch. I also decided to take some mango juice. Last supper. Are you shy? Are you shy? Oh. Hi ladies and baddies, what's up? How are we doing? It is watering day. My voice is raspy because I just woke up, but I'm very excited because it is watering day. I downloaded an app that helps me with knowing when to water my plants because my brain does not acknowledge time, So I got a notification that it is time to water my rubber plant. And honestly, I was literally just looking at it and I was thinking to myself, you're drooping a little. Do you need some lope? You need some water? And the app said, yes it does. So yes, I'll be watering all my plants today. Exciting stuff, riveting. So it's now 11 p.m. and today has been quite a lazy day. I didn't get any work done, like at all. Like I tried, it was not working out. So I decided that I would go take a shower now and then get some studying done. Let's go. So here's a little fun fact. Every night, I like to moisturize my lips. In case Prince Charming decides that he wants to kiss me in my sleep, I'd be prepared. I also, something kind of strange, admittedly. So I have this scent. It's called Moschino, I think is how you pronounce it. And I like to use it before I sleep. I don't know, it just smells so... No, but it's really calming, and so I like to use it every night. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to go out in the rain. It was not a good idea. I'm wet now. It is really pretty to watch though, and I love the smell. It smells so good. It feels like the world is about to end, and honestly I wouldn't mind. Okay, I'm going to try and go out in the rain again. I don't know why, I'm very determined to have like a coming of age moment. Okay, so who's gonna kiss me now? I'm waiting. No one? All right.